Welcome to the training and placement study. So I'm going to explain GCD program, greatest common divisor, great GCD program in a Java. So how to create a GCD program in a Java using two variables. GCD program are any LCM or lowest common method is the lowest common factor SCF, LCM and like GCD. These are the programs. So GCD programs means greatest common divisor means generally it will ask by the interviewer while we are going for the interview. So suppose 10 and 20 number is there. So in this using this program, so how we can achieve the GCD program. So first of all, I have to use 10 a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20. So first you have to understand what is the GCD program. Suppose 3 and 4 is there. 3 and 4 is there. So 3 and 4 have a 1 divide 3 and 1 divides 4. So if you can understand like that, suppose 5 and 10 is there. So 5 10 means 5 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 5 and 10 both. But 10 couldn't divide 5, right? So this is only 5 is the GCD in this case. Suppose 10 and 20 is there. 10 and 20 is there. So in this case, 10 divided by the 5 and 20 divided by the 5 also. Even 2 also divide 10, 2 also divide the 20. But 2 is the not greatest divisor. 5. Then you can check the 5. 5 divides 10, yes. 5 into 2, 10. 5 divide 20, yes. 5 into 4, 20. Again 10 divides 10. Means 10 divides 10, again 10 divides 20. So when we are using the a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20, in this case GCD will be the 10 because 10 is the greatest divisor factor, greatest common divisor we can say. So like 40 and uh, and 60 is there. So in this case 40 40 also divide by the 2, 60 also divide by the 2. But 2 will be not a GCD because 40 again divided by the 4, right? And 60 also divided by the 4. Then 4 is not a GCD. Again you can check 60, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by the 40 and 8 divided by not. 9, 10. 10 also divided by the 40 and 10 also divides the 60. 15, 15 is not divides both. 16 not divide. 17, 20. 20 divides 40 and 20 divides 60. So in 40 and 60, in this case, 20 is the greatest common divisor. So you can see them. You can see here. If you give here 40 and 60, then greatest common divisor will be 20. If you give 10 and 20, then greatest common divisor will be 10. If you give 5 and 10, then greatest common divisor will be 5. So I'm going to execute the program. Please take a look. 10 is there, right? So I'm going to again here 40 and 60. In this case I'm going to change it 40 and 60. So in this case 20 will be the greatest divisor. We got 20 divides 40 and 20 divides 60. So these are the 20, right? So suppose one more thing, 56 is there. Suppose here 56. So in this case 2 divides both, 3, 4, 5, 4 divides both. Again checked 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. 8 into 5 40 and 8 into 7 56. Means 8 divide both. 8 is the greatest common divisor. Well, I am thinking right now. Because after that 9 will be not divide, 10 will be not divide, 11 will be not divide, 12 will be not divide both, 13 will be not divide, 14 not divide, 16. Though these are the things. I mean 20 will be not divide. So greatest common divisor is the, I think 8. 8 will be divide the both. So right now can run the program. 8. 8 will be the divide the both number. So 8 will be the greatest common divisor. Okay, these are the programs. Okay, thank you so much for watching my channel and have a good night.